Hello guys, get ready because in this video I'm going to show you how to fix music fail to play tracks error in Narzo 80x. So watch this video carefully and follow every step as I'm showing in video, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down and here you can see the option apps. Now click on apps and then click on app management. Now scroll down and here you can see the music app. Now click on it and click on storage usage. Now here you can clear the cache memory of music app. After clear the cache memory, then go back to your home screen and open Play Store. Now search here PowerAmp app. Now install this PowerAmp app. After install this PowerAmp app, then go back to your home screen and restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold power button and then swipe up to restart your device. After doing these steps, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.